Hey Faye fam, I'm currently at the airport and we are on our way to the first ever brand trip that Faye is hosting to. In this vlog, we'll be taking you behind the scenes of how we created 4 activities for our 4 cents while in Phuket. Let's start with our very first one, last night in Thailand.
So we've gone the extra mile to create experiences focused on each of the scents that we've created. Right now, what you're going to see is our live mango sticky rice making workshop.
Our scent last night in Thailand has notes of mango, pandan, and sticky rice steam, which is why this workshop felt like a no-brainer. The idea was for the girls to not only smell the dish that inspired the fragrance, but also taste it.
He soaked the rice for 4 hours in pandan leaves, and then he steamed it, and now he's mixing it with coconut.
You know it was a fun time if it ends with teaching the locals how to clock it. And that's the energy we took to our next activity on the same night. After hiding away to avoid coming in frame while the influencers filmed a reel, we took a party bus to dinner, dressed in our finest as if we were guests of a destination wedding.
To a destination wedding feast.
Time for traditional Thai food and even better conversation.
I hired, it was me, my brother, and Shalini. And we used to work out of my dad's office.
I feel like celebrating for you guys. Like I feel like it's such a win even for me.
No, but on that same like very sweet and friendly note, I just want to say she says I'm a great boss, but actually I'm a very privileged boss because I have this team.
Because it's a really big thing to just organize. So, and for Indian Homegrown Brand to organize it, I think
How cute was that? But wait, fruits for dessert? We'd never do that, so of course Team Faye was already back at the villa preparing for the next activity.
oh, that is so nice. That's why we only had fruits in our
Gel room.
That is so nice. That is amazing. That's amazing.
We have these custom robes for everyone, all your names are on it as well. So the idea was
Oh shit.
wear the robe, sit in bed, and eat some
Oh my god, love that. That's so nice.
And that's how day 1 ended, with some sweet desserts in their hotel room. Day 2 was all about relaxation, with massages, our team member getting locked out, and a beach day. All in prep for the final night, what we call our date night to celebrate the scent, my boyfriend's hoodie. It's finally time for the last activity for our final fragrance, which is my boyfriend's hoodie. Currently, we have the entire date night setup going on. We have our private chef over there making up some really cool Japanese food. Right here, we have a live bar, which is making all the cocktails for everyone. And then if you can see there's an entire setup for dinner. I'll show you it a little better later, but yeah, that's what's going on.
Thank you first of all for everyone for being patient with us and like enjoying your week with us or 2 days with us. Hopefully you got to experience what we were trying to make you feel with all 4 of these fragrances and the memories that we were trying to elicit. Put the cherry on top. We have little love notes from special someones in your lives to make you feel like you're actually on a date with someone that you truly love. So this is you.
Oh my god. That's insane. It's so cute. This is my sister.
Moments like these are what made this trip so special, and our girlies seem to agree.
It's great to plan a good trip, but it's insane to like think of the little details, like you making sure you all have window seats, to like reaching out so that this is special for us, and like I think that's all we all aspire for, to be like looked at and be seen, and for a brand to like take care of the little things. It's really special. And I think post this trip is gonna be like a really special part of all of our journeys. So like thanks for doing that for us. All the girls here, I've seen them work hard, be so nice, no bad vibes, everyone just helping out each other. That's really fun. You have a great team, all of you guys. I'm so happy to be here, honestly.
With some final spritzes of the trip, we were ready to leave, with suitcases full of goodies of course, but even more memories of Faye's first ever brand trip.